Hello there guys, it's Callum here from escapecorn.net and today we've got an unboxing for you. So here we go with all the latest Apple news. I thought, and of course the iTunes Festival coming up, Apple have done a fantastic deal on getting the Apple TV plus a $25 gift card as well, which is always a bonus. Take that out of the way. And this came roughly today in this not very well protected box. And here is the actual box itself. This is the latest Gen model. Have a quick look at the box. We can see the Apple TV on the front there. On the side we say it is Wi-Fi, HDMI 1080p now. Screen, a bit of a image of it there, text up there, saying what it can do. On the bottom you have all the boring stuff, the Apple logo on the side. So, let's go open the box and we'll get into it. So we're taking a lovely plastic sheeting off, and as with all Apple things, it's a really simple design. All you need to do is literally take the end off. So straight away you can see the Apple TV sat at the top. Pop that on there for a tip. Next look at the lovely packaging there, and we have the remote here. It's very light, like that. Put that there. Take that out. In here, of course, we have the black power cable, very nice. At the very bottom, we have all the documentation, setup guides, also very important Apple stickers, and some other information. That over there a minute. Take a quick look at the remote first. Take the packaging off. So at first looks, it looks very nice, very shiny indeed. We've got the battery compartment at the back. Let's open the penny. At the very top we have the IR sensor, the infrared. And we have of course the menu button there, playing pause, center button, and also the 4 directional buttons. Lots of scroll wheel notice, never know. And at the bottom you have a little bit of text. The Apple TV itself, lovely packaging. I always admire Apple for its fantastic packaging. You're probably wondering, where's all the ports? Well, actually, there's another bit of packaging. Very nice. Let's take this off. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Straight away at the top, you can see the Apple TV logo. Logo of the TV. Very front. You have the IR sensor around this area, and also a LED light. Looking on the side, and that side at the bottom, famous Apple logo. You see it has a slight curvy bump around it. And on the very back, we have all important power, HDMI, mini USB, optical audio, and of course an Ethernet cable. But this is wireless, just in case you're worried about it. So, let's plug it in. Here I've got it in position near the TV. I'm just going to plug the cables into the back of it. Got the HDMI cable here, the HDMI slot at the back. Got the power cable here, put that into the power cable slot. And see there is a light on front of it. Let's head through the setup process here.
Apple TV. To use VoiceOver with your Apple TV, press the small button located on the lower right of your remote 3 times.
So as you can hear, there is a slight voice assistant there with it. It's still very good. Now as soon as you turn it on, you will see the Apple logo. Once that has loaded, then you'll be able to see the menu screen. So you can pair this straight away if you use an iPhone, iPod, iPad with an iOS 7. iPhone 4 and iPad 2 does not work. And you're going to pair it with Bluetooth keyboard. You have something here today. Just going to use the remote here. The up or down function. My phone going in. We're going to select English. That's where we are. do our Wi-Fi now. So I've just entered the Wi-Fi password, and the key and the remote is very responsive. The key switches are very nice as well, and they work very smoothly. There's like no delay or anything like that. Just wait for it to connect. And here we go, activation. So we're now contacting the activation server. Format. Okay, so this is something you generally get in most of the products. I'll have to click OK to this because it gives them something back. Not many days. And so here is the main Apple menu. It's all very cool and stuff. Tutorials going on here, and you can see the same menu bar stays at the top all the time. Settings, general, have a quick browse now. Something you always generally want to do is a software update. And there we go, there is one. So, I'm going to do the software update, and I'm going to have a quick browse into what else I can do. So, now that the update has been complete, we've left the TV for a while and the Apple TV for a while, and you can see the screensaver has come on, which is nice to make pictures, which is completely customisable with your photo library. So just going back into it, after the update, quick check, make sure that is well. Also we've got the time zone there, not in Cupertino anymore, that automatically. We are in London indeed. So going into the main menu, you can choose what you have, what you don't have. I'll have everything switched on. I'll look through it. Very good. Of course, the next thing now is to sign to iCloud. So I'll sign in and move on from there. I'll just sign in there. I'll still accept the terms and conditions. That's very important. Some more stuff. Give it a read. That's important. So what I've done is left the iCloud. It doesn't seem to work at the moment. Could be an issue with Apple updates and everything. And onto the iTunes store here. Once you sign in, you get the option of where, the location, what sort of resolution you want. HD previews or sort favourites. So that's that all sorted. Audio video. Quick flip through here. You have AirPlay. On. And then sleep now, basically like turn it off as it were. Simple as that. So let's just go on to the main TV screen here now. So once everything's lined up, we can go into some movies, and we can have a look at what we've purchased. One has come up because I did actually get that. Top films, genres, so yeah, Genius, which recommends films according to search. Next to that, of course, you've got TV shows. Search this. I'll have a lot there. That's actually a season premiere. Not that I have any intention of watching it too much. Of course, we do have loads of 20th Century Fox here. And have a look what's going on. American people out, any American fans out there will know exactly all that is. Genres, Genius. Yeah. Music. And purchased. See if anything will pop up. Look. And it has. And so this has my whole collection in it. Let's just run this one for example. Play it like that. Wait for it to load, it's actually streaming from my Mac upstairs. And that is coming straight from my Mac upstairs onto the Apple TV, and straight into it, and of course that can play in the background. If need be, then you have the pause and play button. on the remote. Then you have top music, so you're actually going to the music store, music videos, genres, and search. Here it is. So that's just connected to mine, so I have my music library there, movies library, TV shows, which we probably load up, and of course podcasts. We have settings, like from there we have all the extra bits in the box that you have, as Netflix, Now TV, Archie's Festival, trailers, MLB, Wall Street Journal, Vimeo, Flickr, Sky News, NFL, YouTube, as well, Vimeo, iCloud Photos, Army Theatre, and so on and so forth. So later. So overall, the user interface is really nice actually. Pop YouTube, see. Oh, look at that, straight in, log in here. Straight, so it's straight access, no loading time or anything like that. Live functionality there as well. There's lots of ranges of channels. Also you have radio as well at the end. And you pick your category, what sort of thing you want. A bit of classic rock. Next you're going to do a search for the classic rocks, and here is lots of them on different stations and what have you. So overall it looks like a great user UI at the moment. Very nice, simple, and I like it a lot. So that is the Apple TV. Don't forget to check out escapecon.net for a review of it. And check out the other videos. We're on Facebook and Twitter and Google+, and of course we'll see you again very soon.